Your printer comes with a glass bed, which is fine to continue to use if you wish. There's no particular problem with it. But you may have also received in your box a flexible steel sheet with a magnet underneath it. You can replace the glass bed with this flexible steel sheet if you wish. Again, it's not required, certainly. But the main benefit of using a steel sheet is that when the print is done, you can lift it off easily, which you could do with a glass bed as well. But the steel sheet is flexible so that you can bend it, and that makes popping off the finished print much easier. Probably have already noticed that using the spatula to get under one of the edges of your print to get it off the glass plate can sometimes be challenging. But with the flexible bed, that process of print removal is much easier. The steel sheet has a texture to it, which helps the prints to stick, but it will also add a texture to the bottom of your print. So if you're looking for a glass smooth finish to the bottom of your prints, then you'll want to stick with the glass bed. So I'm going to show you how to install the flexible steel sheet, if you wish to do so. First, remove the glass bed by loosening the retaining clips in the front and lifting the glass bed off. Next, you'll need to remove the sticker from the back of the magnet and slide the magnet in against the back retaining clips and stick the back surface to the print bed and slowly roll it forward. You may find it helpful to have a stiff plastic scraper or similar item to squeegee the bubbles from the magnet as you're rolling it forward. You want to make sure that there are no bubbles, no air pockets underneath the magnet. If there are, you can always just lift it back up and start over again, working from back to front. Once the magnet is affixed, all you need to do is attach the steel sheet and you're good to go. Now make sure to re-level your bed because the thickness of the magnet and the steel sheet is less than the thickness of the glass bed that we just replaced. So we definitely need to go through the leveling process that we went through initially when we first set up the machine. I already added a steel sheet to a second printer, so you can see what it looks like. Again, popping it off, just lift it up and take it off. You'll notice on this one, for some reason, the magnet didn't go all the way to the front of the printer. That's fine. That shouldn't make much of a difference unless you're printing all the way to the very front. And even then, I'm not sure it would really matter that much.